Lyft is really trying. They're testing a lot of new features. We have another feature to talk about today, along with your feedback. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. Lyft is really trying. They're testing a lot of features out in the wild right now. In fact, they're testing so many features that some markets have it, some markets don't, and who knows if they're even going to come across to all markets or not. But we have something for you here today. This is called the Busy or Bonus Guarantee. As you notice right here, it says it's from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. So for those who are wondering, yes, this is during certain times that it will let you know when it's going to be available or not. And so it says how it works. 1, go online during offer hours. You got to drive when busy or bonus is offered. Number 2, unlock the bonus between rides. So if more than 5 minutes pass without any ride requests coming in, you're going to be eligible to receive a bonus when you accept and complete the next ride. After the first 5 minutes, the bonus will increase by $1 per minute until you get a ride up to a maximum of $10. The bonus will reset if you go offline, cancel, or miss a ride. Number 3, get paid. Accept and complete your next ride to earn the bonus. So real fast, a couple of quick things to notice that is not in this screenshot is, it is timed, so you have to know when this is going to be offered in order to be able to take that. And secondly, the price is going to change. So it's not always going to be $2.50 to start after 5 minutes or $1 extra per minute up to 10. It's going to be adjusted pretty much every single time this offer actually presents itself on the Lyft platform. Now, we did post this on our Facebook page as well as our YouTube community tab, and you had some things to say about it, which we're going to go over in just a moment, but I'm going to share my thoughts first. Now, there is some good and some bad to this. First off, we'll go over the good and then go to the bad. Real quick, make sure to download the Upside Gas app. Link's going to be in the description below, and also fill in Ride 35 and you're going to get 35 cents off per gallon on your first fill up. Now, the first thing is, if you're planning to drive during this time, great. Then that means that bonus will automatically start applying if you go beyond that certain time frame that they're saying. So in this case, it was $2.50 after 5 minutes of waiting for your next ride to come in, and $1 per minute up to $10 after that. So it is nice to have some money while you're sitting there waiting for another ride to come in. But let's face it, this is designed to keep you on the Lyft platform and not to go on to Uber or Doordash or any other platform that you might be on at the time that you normally go out and drive. So as you saw on that one part, it says the bonus will reset if you go offline, cancel, or miss a ride. So let's say you get the bonus at $2.50 or even max it out. What's the next ride going to be looking like? We've all seen those CRBs or consecutive ride bonuses, 3 for $12, 3 for $18, whatever it might be. You take the first 2 rides, then your third ride, they throw a monkey wrench and say, you're going 25 minutes away for probably like a 2-minute trip. Is it worth it to take at that point or not? Now, depending on where you're going, if you maxed out that weight bonus, it might be worth it, it might not. The other thing that comes down to, is your market busy or not? Is it busy on Lyft? Is it busy on Uber, DoorDash? What other platforms are you on? And how does Lyft compare to those other platforms? Now, before I say if this is really good or just a way for you to be gamed and go online, that is kind of the biggest question I have. Are they going to offer this at times when it's slow to help supplement the fact that you're just sitting there and staying on their platform versus going on another platform? Or are they just trying to get drivers to sign on to make sure that there are enough drivers for the demand that might be happening? And then what about surges? Will this actually kill surge or not? But like I said earlier, we did post this on our Facebook page as well as our YouTube community. So let's go over some of the comments on our Facebook page that you had left. So what you see on the screen right now, first comment is from Freddie, and he says, simply an illusion to manipulate driver behavior. We've all seen this. I don't know why drivers keep falling for it. Pat says, will Lyft announce the time location in advance so drivers can plan, or place it in the app after it starts? I don't know. That is a good question though. So if you have this available in your market and you're watching this video, what have you seen? Comment below and let us know. Geo says, must be by markets because I don't see this on the app. Yeah, this is just a pilot feature. This isn't rolled out nationwide. It's something that Lyft is testing. They're always doing some sort of tests in different markets all of the time. Jorge with the face palm. Charles Long says all day long or one-time offer. Again, it looked like it was just 2 hours, but it could change and vary time to time. I'm not sure. Mark says, yeah, just like the streak bonus when they try and send you 20 minutes away. More of the story. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Exactly. And that's one of the things that I had mentioned earlier. Like, are they going to offer you a ride that's way out of the way that drivers don't want to take because of that? I guess time will tell, right? Eli says, more effing games designed to manipulate behavior and control you. Yeah, that's the gamification of the algorithms for both Uber and Lyft. They keep continuing to try to come up with new ways and new ideas to get you to come on platform, stay on platform, and accept every ride that they give you. Now, we did talk about the gamification of the algorithms on Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. It's live Tuesdays at 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you're subscribed and ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified when not only do we go live, but when new videos do come out. So again, make sure you're subscribed, ring that bell. Then we got Freddie responding to Eli with the little picture of facts. And then the last comment we'll look at right now is from Vaughn and says, they will dispatch 30 minutes away rides to you. Can't trust Lyft. Exactly. That's one of the big things. Is it just like the CRBs, those consecutive ride bonuses? That last ride or the last 2 rides, if it's a 3 or 5 ride consecutive ride bonus, are they going to make you go really far out in order to claim that extra money? Now, again, this is something that they're piloting that we came across. There are some other things that they're piloting that we'll share with you when we get the information. So if there's anything that you see in your market from Uber, Lyft, or any of these other platforms, send it our way. Let us know. We can investigate a little bit more, see exactly what it is, and let you guys know exactly what's up. Now, do you have this in your market? If you do, first off, what market are you in? And also, have you tried this feature? Is it good? Is it bad? Somewhere in between? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to know some of the other things that Lyft is testing and piloting out, they are trying upfront earnings. It's called upfront pay, and also upfront trip details, which is a little bit different from upfront pay. Check out that video right here. Make sure you're subscribed. Click the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time new videos come out. All right, drive safe, everyone.